The past couple days we've been learning about lines, line segments, points, rays, and angles, and where the two lines meet we call that a vertex. Today we're going to take all of this and we're going to put it together. When we put all of this together, we get what we call a shape. Shapes are also called by a different name. They are also called polygons. A polygon is a closed shape, which means there's no open spots, and it's made up of line segments. So here we have 4 line segments that come together to make a polygon. Each line segment makes up a side of the polygon, and where 2 lines meet, we call this the vertex of the polygon. There are a lot of different shapes, but a polygon has line segments, it's closed, and it meets at a vertex. So if you look at this circle, there's no line segments, and there's no sides to it, so it's not a polygon. It's a shape, but it's not a polygon. Here I have this right here, and I look and I see that it is not a closed figure because it's open right here, nothing connects it. So it's not a polygon. Let's look at the shape I have here. Right here we have a side, and if I wanted to know how many sides there were, I could just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6-sided polygon. Here, where 2 lines meet up, I have a vertex. I'm going to count how many vertexes I have on the shape. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 vertices in this shape. Now if I wanted to draw a line segment to connect 2 vertices together, it could look like this. And we call this line a diagonal. It connects 2 vertices within the shape. When we name polygons, we name them for the number of sides that they have. So since this polygon has 6 sides, I would say that it's a hexagon, because hex means 6, so hexagon means 6 sides. Let's look at this shape here. I know we all know what it is, but let's count the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3. It's got 3 sides, so I know that this shape is a triangle. Let's count the vertices and see how many there are. There's 1, 2, 3. This shape is a triangle because it has 3 sides and it's got 3 vertices. Here's my next shape. I count the sides and I see that there are 4. So there's 4. And then I count the vertices and I see that there are 4. This shape has 4 sides. Now I know what you're thinking. It's a rectangle. But not all shapes with 4 sides are rectangles or squares. If a shape has 4 sides, we call it a quadrilateral. Quad means 4, so that means there's 4 sides. So any shape you see, whether it's a rectangle, a square, or a trapezoid, or a rhombus, those are called quadrilaterals. I love the word quadrilateral. Let's all say it together. Quadrilateral. Nice job. Let's look at our next shape and count the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A shape with 5 sides is called a pentagon. Penta means 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. We've already seen a shape like this, but let's count the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A shape with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Hex means 6. So this shape has 6 sides. Our next shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides and 8 vertices. Now, oct means 8, just like an octopus. So this shape would be an octagon because it's a polygon with 8 sides. I always think of a stop sign because a stop sign has 8 sides. Let's count the sides on this shape here. We know that it's a star shape, but it's also a polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 sides. So we're going to call it a decagon because deca means 10, so it has 10 sides and it also has 10 vertices. So we would call this a decagon. Let's see if you can identify some shapes in your lesson today.